Hello everyone, Celeste here. I thought I'd do a really quick tutorial on something that I found so confusing and I just couldn't work out how to do it for the longest time. And then once you realize how to do it, it's so simple and easy to do. So I thought I'd do a really quick video. Hopefully I'll upload a short of this one as well if you see it. So let's get started. I'm going to teach you how to make overalls. So I am planning on releasing a pattern soon on how to make the overalls. So I'm not going to give exact stitches and everything like that. I'm just going to give the general idea. So what I want to present to you is my schoolboy mushie. I'm currently working on making him. He's got a really cute hat. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial for this hat as well. And I'm going to give him some really cute blue overalls. So I'm going to be using chunky yarn. So I believe this is the Hobby Honey Bunny yarn. I'm not sure what color it's in. And for this one I'm going to be using a 4mm hook. A lot of the times I do size up a lot, but it kind of depends if you want tighter stitches or not. So how I start is I chain a single crochet chain long enough so it wraps around the foot, and from then on I crochet to create two little donuts almost, so they look like this. So these are the two donuts like that. So these all fit on the legs, so I'm going to slide them on. So that's the first leg, making sure that I've got like this kind of bit where there's the join at the back, so you can't see it at the front of the plushie. So I've got one on now, and they look like little floaties on his feet. So I'm going to then slide on my second one, flip him upside down, and just slide that on, making sure I have the join at the back again. So that is done. So now that I've got these two little floaties on his leg, I'm now going to continue crocheting around until I get to where I can join them, and I'll be joining them with a single crochet or a decrease. I think it's a bit better to do it with a decrease, and then once you crochet all the way around with single crochets, another decrease to join the back. And then after I sew these two together when I take it off the plushie. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so it is a little bit later and I have just finished my schoolboy mushies pants. So they're so cute. So I know I originally said that I was going to do overalls, but I was just making it and I'm like, oh, these little shorts look so cute. I just couldn't stop myself. So they're basically made the exact same way that overalls are made, except obviously you stop a lot earlier. With overalls, I probably would have gone up probably about that much more, so maybe 3 or so more rounds. And then what I always do is, actually I probably would have just done 2 more rounds. And then from here to about here, I would have done like that top patch here, and then 2 little straps over the shoulder. Now I'm looking at it, I don't know if I should still do the overalls. I don't know what to do. I'll be back. You know what? I think I'm gonna make those overalls and see how they look. So I'll be right back once they're made, and then I guess I can just watch the footage back and decide which one I like more. Everyone, Celeste here. It's quite a bit later from when that video was filmed, and I was just editing the video to upload it, and I realized I never filmed an outro. So here's my best version of that and a conclusion to this tutorial video, whatever you want to call it. So here is the finished schoolboy mushie. So you can see he's got the super cute overalls that we made together, and things that I've added since you saw him. This super cool handmade backpack, which I'm planning to do a free pattern and a YouTube video tutorial for next, so let me know if you want to see that one. I've also added a little spade which he's holding on with his hand. I can't see that far, so let me know if it's focused or not, or I'm sure I'll see it after. My year is currently available on my website www.lesterscrochet.com to adopt now, and I have so many cute plushies also available on the website if you're interested in even just checking them out. But yeah, I think that's about it from me tonight. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what tutorials you want to see, anything crochet related, what patterns and free patterns you want to see next, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm hoping we can make it to 500 subscribers really soon, so I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. So that's all from me tonight, so hopefully I see you next time.